If you ask this question to someone, I want to grow in HR, want to do career in HR, what skills do I need? Many will tell you communication. Don't listen to them. Let me tell you, stop focusing only on communication skills. Trust me, communication is required, but it's a generic skill. Everyone needs it. HR is a different job. Different jobs requires different skill set, right? Some of you might be thinking HR is about policies, engagement, writing emails. Yes, these are functional skills. But when HR interviews another HR to hire, they evaluate HR candidates on a very different parameters. 5 non-negotiable skills every HR professional must master, and let me tell you which are those. First is sourcing, knowing where and how to find the right talent. Second is screening, identify potential beyond just a resume. Interviewing and evaluation on the basis of job fitment, skill fitment, cultural fitment. Integrity, HR hears everything, but we need to protect this information. If you want to know the detailed insights on these skills, then watch this video till the end. Most people say HR job needs communication skills, people skills, conflict management skills, EI skills. Yes, all of these skills are important, but here is the truth. These are not HR job specific skills. A very first skill is sourcing. The first and most important HR skill is sourcing. Yes, you heard me right. Because the reality is simple. Everyone goes on the same job for portals to hire people, same social media sites. Then how do you get candidates? How good are you at networking inside as well as outside companies? Because inside company people will give you good referrals. Outside people will give you more leads. Trust me, if you hate hiring, please don't come in HR. Because it's very important for all of us to know that if employees are there, then we HR people are there. Otherwise, none of the organization needs us, right? Second skill is a screening. The second skill is, when I say screening, very important it is, are you able to go beyond resumes? Because resumes don't tell the full story. HR professionals must be able to quickly assess communication ability, stability, intent, attitude, learning mindset. This means keeping right question also ready, which you can ask during the interviews. That is the preparation for screening. Third is interviewing and evaluation. It is a critical HR skill. How are you interviewing? Conducting interviews is not about interrogation. Asking right question and evaluating candidates on job fitment. Can the person will be able, or will the person will be able to do that role? Do they have required competencies? Is that candidate culturally fit? A strong HR professional develops the ability to read between the lines and get the candidates who are job fit, culturally fit, and most importantly, budget fit. Fourth skill is integrity. The fourth skill is very important. This is one of the most underestimated HR competencies. You may see this. Now, this is a generic skills. Yes, you're right. But in HR, the level of this integrity skill requirement is very high. The level is high. HR professionals hear everything: salary discussions, complaints, concerns, personal stories. A strong HR professional knows how to protect confidentiality. Integrity is not just a value. In HR, it is your reputation. Okay? The fifth skill is role modeling. आप लेट आए हो, आप तो HR हो, आपने कैसे ड्रेस पहना है, आप तो HR हो. You must have heard this. Once you become a part of HR, something interesting happens. HR is not just a function. HR represents the culture of the organization. If HR professionals do not follow the standards they expect from others, the entire system loses credibility. फिर वो word आता है, चलता है. I'm living, very important for HRs to ask one question to themselves. Am I living the culture of this organization? Trust me, HR is a beautiful profession. If you want to learn practical HR, then please reach us on the number given on the screen. Believe me, getting practical HR training and will enhance your knowledge, skills, and certifications will help you to stand out during interviews. So if you are building your career in HR, focus on mastering these 5 skills: sourcing, screening, interviewing and evaluating, integrating, very important, role modeling. These skills will stay relevant no matter how technology changes HR. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have liked it, let me know in the chat window. If you want to have more informative HR related videos, then let me know the topics on which you would like to have these videos, so that we will come up with relevant HR related topics which will help you to enhance your knowledge and skills. Thank you so much, everyone.